I'm laying low, city to city, you know I've been on the road. She try to see me, but I'm on another coast. I ain't sorry, but I think I'm going ghost, ghost. I'm laying white, but I thought, white, but I thought, never felt it. White, but I thought, white, but I thought.
PC all put together. Like I said, I apologize for the missing footage. The only thing I didn't get is putting the AIO on, which was simple. It's a Montage AIO. Comes with 3 pre-installed fans, everything wired up, already daisy chained. And I didn't get to record putting in the GPU, which sucks because that's the main thing, you know. But it's all good, man. It's all good. My first build video, not a build guide, but a build video. So yeah, that's what we're looking like. There's the back right there. I did pretty decent. I did pretty decent on the cable management. But yeah, let's go ahead and fire this thing up, man. I think I turned the power supply off. I'm gonna cut that out the video for sure. Oh no. The light was on, so it was getting power already. I turned it off. Alright. Sorry about the mess. I want to make sure the PC boots up before I clean up all my tools and stuff. But yeah, let's go ahead and see if she turns on. Yes, sir. Look at that, man. RGB's going crazy. Fans are on full speed, so I'll have to fix that in the BIOS later. Card's got a RGB on it. Oh, not RGB, but LED, I guess. Lights up, whatever. It's sweet, man. Top fans are already synced up. Every fan on here is Montech. Plugged into a fan hub in the back that came pre-installed. I'll just have to get some software to control the RAM sticks. Let's see what the lighting LED button will do. This thing is sweet, man. Looks awesome. It's probably gonna be what I rock with most of the time, just solid white. Yeah. I'm gonna get the panels all on and do a little montage. So I'll see you guys in.